Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to give token support in Swagger with Infiom Generator. In last two sessions, we learned Swagger setup and JWT token in Laravel application. If you still not watch, then you should watch it first. Tutorial link given in description. So let's try to test category list APIs we are created in last tutorial. Let's start server first. PHP artisan show and load the documentation in browser. So let's load it. You can see here all 5 APIs of category. Let's try to fetch the categories and hit the execute button, and you can see here we got error token not provided because this categories API now protected with JWT.auth middleware. So we need to pass JWT token in header in this API. So we need to provide the token support in Swagger docs. It's very easy to integrate with Swagger doc in Infiom Generator. You need to write few lines in app-based controller and provide the definition in all the APIs, so you can easily pass the token in header and you can easily access the protected APIs. So let's open the editor and try to specify Swagger annotation for token. Here is a Swagger annotation of app-based controller. If you are using Infiom Generator, then you need to specify here security block. So let's edit. Here is a Swagger annotation of security scheme. You need to specify @svg and security scheme. You need to specify 4 parameters security definition. I specified here Infiom auth. You can take your own name. Also specify type API key where you passing the token. So you passing in header, so specify in equal to header and specify the key name of the token, and we are passing the token in authorization key, so specified here authorization as a name. Now we need to use this definition in our controller and our all the APIs. So let's open category controller, and you can see here the Swagger annotation for list API of all categories. So we need to pass security here, so let's specify it. So let's specify security here, and we need to specify definition here and specify empty object. We declare Infiom auth definition in Swagger annotation. We need to specify that definition in security block here. So now security related and barrier token related setup is done. So let's reload the Swagger docs and let's check. So let's open the browser and refresh it. Now you can see here authorize button is available. Click here and we can pass it token here. So let's specify barrier here, and we need to pass token. I logged in and got token. We need to pass here, but I write barrier and pass token here. So login is successful. Let's try again and execute the query, and you can see here we got one categories in response. So now you just need to set this security definition in all the APIs. So let's try to set create category API and refresh the browser. So docs is updated. We need to set barrier token again. Let's copy from here and edit here. Now let's try to create one category. We no need to pass ID. Let's specify electric and execute, and you can see here category created successfully. Let's try to fetch again, and you can see here we got two categories. So you can edit this section in each and every API which is protected by JWT token. So it's very easy. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Feel free to ask any question and give your feedback in comment box. Thank you.